In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background sound playing on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up at the top left, and then go down and select System Settings. And then on the left panel, you want to select Accessibility. And then on the right side, just scrolling down underneath Hearing, select where it says Audio. And then where it says background sound, click the choose button and you can choose any sound you want. You can play it and see how it sounds. Select OK to save. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.